Meet Carl, the ambitious snowplow operator, eagerly anticipating a big snowstorm. He loves his job and is ready to keep the town safe. The storm arrives and Carl can't wait to hit the road. He knows his community is counting on him. But as he starts his plow, disaster strikes. Carl's plow needs repairs. Carl quickly realizes the repairs will take hours. He feels the weight of the storm and the pressure to get going. Meanwhile, a rival snow removal service speeds by using a KAGE innovation plow. They're clearing parking lots in record time. Carl can't help but feel disappointed. He watches his competition do what he loves to do, and they're doing it so well. Realizing he can't keep up with the competition, Carl decides it's time to invest in a reliable plow. He quickly searches for a KAGE innovation plow. After some hard work and dedication, Carl gets his hand on a KAGE innovation plow. He's back in action, ready to tackle any storm. With his new plow, Carl clears the streets faster than ever. Business owners are grateful, and Carl feels like a hero once again. Thanks to his decision to upgrade, Carl is back on the road, ensuring everyone can safely enjoy winter. Don't let a storm slow you down. Choose reliability and efficiency with KAGE innovation.